Yeah, it has a cross. It has a cross on its back. And these are, except for the nose of spider, which is way big, probably the most poisonous.
This one is poisonous.
Yeah, it's poisonous.
Can you tell how was the food so that my family get proud?
The food was amazing.
Ah.
Mine? It was the most
Every
delicious
food was
Indian food
amazing.
I've ever eaten.
Okay, thank you guys.
Caveman. Yeah, we found a caveman in Nuremberg.
So we found a fossil here by a great scientist. Hi everybody, we are going for a hiking today. So we'll take a Ari from here. It's a nice sunny day. यहाँ धूप कम आती है, जर्मनी में धूप थोड़ी सी कम आती है, तो अच्छा. He's carrying a lot of weight, man. Lot of weight. 30 kg तो नहीं होगा bro.
I'm training for Para Commando.
Nice, everyone has bags apart from this guy.
मेरा
Coolie.
My personal coolie.
Coolie, yeah.
You will carry this afterwards.
करना बनता है.
You know what this? Not made.
It's beer.
It's a coffee for student.
It has coffee beans or just you're joking?
No, it's like tea. It's like a tea, cold brew.
Seriously?
Yeah.
वो तो पीता ही है हर रोज. तू नहीं पीता ना, तू एक बार पी के देख.
By record. This is our canteen, guys.
हल्दी सूरी. This is good.
Roughly, yeah. Roughly the
कितने लोग हैं?
the amount that you would drink off.
8, bro.
And then you fill it with
One.
maybe a little bit more. And then you fill it with vodka, and then you call it a turbo mate.
Turbo mate. I also know Dankeschön.
इसको नहीं मिला.
किसका जूस? अबे ये बियर पी सकते हो. हाँ. सही बोला था भाई, जिसने भी बोला था मुझे. वीडियो मत कर. कर ले.
ये घर जाके
बेवड़ा साला.
बेवड़ा.
अच्छा तो है.
Now we need to help him to reach there. अभी चल नहीं पाएगा.
In any supermarket?
Most of them.
So that drink doesn't have alcohol. Yes.
It's like Sting.
It's an energy drink.
This guy.
Yeah. Okay. Now no one will argue like you're drinking alcohol. Nice. So our train has arrived. The Ari. So we are going. Yeah. So we're going through the years.
Yeah, that's fine.
So what's the station name where we are going? On. So I'll put this on video. I'm making hiking videos.
Yes.
So we already here. It's hard. Say hi, guys. And then this one. Yeah. Ah. Wow. It's like a Windows 10 wallpaper. है मस्त है ना? हम ले ले किराए पे कम. खेती बाड़ी. Farming. So we have to reach to Harburg.
Let's enjoy.
So we are going on a hike. This is the regional train, and these are my friends. You all three from Germany, right? Yeah. So we reached there. Let's start the video. So from here, how long we have to walk?
1.5 hours.
Oh, nice.
So it's quite fun.
Do we need sticks
Yes.
to hike? Okay.
Otherwise, you might have to crawl.
Okay. What's going on? Oh.
Yeah, now it's
Like you can transfer your bag to this guy, na? Both have the same bag.
no, now
Okay. Oh, nice. Sunlight is nice. The weather is so good today, na? We are lucky. Beautiful. That was the train track. Tempo runter bite Shulangpang. Bro, what's that mean?
You have to lower your speed
Oh,
because there's
So
rules
you
it's
don't
like student.
have to take so much speed. Not good.
it's a dream place
You've just seen like all these places.
because
movies only.
in our home country,
Yeah.
like we have mountains, we have very beautiful greenery, but we don't have that finished road on the mountain. Like this is the picture perfect. Yeah, Luca has the license.
Go like
Yeah, I do have a license from India, but that's valid for 6 months here. 6 months.
Like
Then
you have to do a drive like
yeah, I need to get the license here if I want to drive. But in 6 months, I guess we can drive once even. Hope so. Studies not that pressurize us to not go for a drive.
from India.
No, it's an Indian driving license, but it's valid 6 month international as well. Yeah. Then I need to apply a license here.
It's like 3,000 euros.
I heard it's 1200 for the first time.
1,200
Okay.
because you already have one.
Uh-huh.
But just a normal.
Oh. So I think we have to prepare for 3,000. So it's too costly.
But I don't think.
Correct. I was looking for second-hand car prices here. So here the imported cars are costly. Like Suzuki's car here. Yeah, Suzuki. Like Maruti.
Double.
Like those cars are also expensive. Like the Swift, Wagoner. These are Suzuki's variants, and they are, I guess, 3x the price here as compared to what they are in India.
Quality.
I guess it's a much better quality.
Like German standard.
European standard, yeah. So I saw your car on that video. It's a Volkswagen, na? Do you still have that, or you change it?
Has it.
Well, what model?
4 from 8.
Oh, it's
98.
that old. So you have to like do a maintenance and get a certification of that something.
No, every 2 years you have to drive your car to like the company. It's called TÜV. They pay like okay, like brake
Every 2 years you have to.
every 2 years.
And how much is it cost?
100 every 2 years.
Oh, okay, it's not that bad.
Every car needs it. Doesn't.
It's. I thought it will be very costly. Having old, it's
It's the
nice.
same car. You
And we can get old at a much cheaper price.
can get a really old car for 500 and you have like a lot of maintenance.
Maintenance, yeah.
Maybe something brakes and this. And also they use more fuel.
Ah,
Like new cars, they only take like 5 years. Cars take 8, just 9.
lovely. Have you been to Switzerland ever?
Yes.
Is it different? Is it different from here? Same.
I think for you it will be the same.
Ah,
For us it's maybe a little bit different because the people speak differently. Also the prices are much higher in here. So even for us it's expensive.
Yeah, but it's not that different for you, I believe, because
Not so different.
the scenery is same, I believe.
I think Switzerland is it's like the premium version of Germany.
So when you go from one country to another, does your visa got stamped?
You don't even need like the passport. You can only go with your like small ID.
So you have a EU visa or German visa, like EU.
Like in EU I can go everywhere. I don't need any.
But Switzerland is not part of the Schengen visa.
It's like they have like a contract in Switzerland, Turkey, everything is like in there.
Affel. No, but it's apple.
Yeah, it's a mini apple.
It's a mini apple.
But I've never seen it before.
It's tasty. Search for a stick. Now we have stick for everyone. Let's begin the hike. वाओ क्या व्यू आ रहा है यार. लेविस ग्रीन, उसके बीच में चटक लाल टी शर्ट पहनी हुई है इस भाई ने. ये तेरी चटक लाल टी शर्ट अच्छी लग रही है इस व्यू में. It's making a huge contrast in greenery. Yeah, you can see the view behind me. That's a cute, not a cute, but small cave. You're taking a shortcut? Can you? We will go very high. We'll go to the top. So we just reached here. It's a water tap.
Bro, don't drink from this. There are many water bottles.
It's coming naturally from the mountains, na?
This water is better than the water we have in the city.
Ah, we need to taste it then. We'll taste it.
If you need water from me, you can get it.
Ah, it's it tastes good.
Fruits and nuts we have.
Oh, something is happening. Oh, you have a Swiss knife, bro. You could have do 3 parts.
I have another apple, so we can try later.
Also, Wahid.
Oh, they were doing the mountain biking. So you can do a mountain bike here, take the bike to top and then ride it to the bottom. Yeah, so we are 1/4 of the way through, I guess. We are not even halfway to the top climbed, and I don't know how much he's carrying 4 days of water. So if we stuck, we can survive for 4 days. So guys, do you anyone know how to light a fire without lighter or matchstick?
I know how, but it's theory.
Oh, you have a very good toolkit, yeah. Oh, nice. Then we can survive then. So we are almost there. That's the lake. I'll show you the proper view. And we have 2 guys remaining behind us. Oi, lovely. Without gimbal. So we are here. That's the view. And I'll show you the lake. There's the lake. There is a medical emergency. A helicopter is coming to pick someone.
Area, that's all.
Yeah,
Because if the helicopter is gonna come.
we don't get hurt.
Yeah, we don't get hurt. We don't get blown off the cliff.
Yeah, right.
Or like there's probably some sticks falling from.
You're getting cold now. I like your jacket. And
Thanks.
Where?
Oh my god.
oh,
Died in Germany like. It's from Jack Wolfskin. It's quite expensive.
ah,
But she got it from her grandpa.
be a good record for
I guess a jacket from her grandpa, and I borrowed it.
so it's like very old.
Yeah, probably it's like
All hikes are
I don't
banned
know, 15 years, 20 years.
Oh,
But that's the best stuff always.
correct, right.
भाई बैग रख ही देता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर क्या ही होता है।
Where?
They're called. Yeah, they're.
Oh, you can.
It has like a
Yeah, it has a
Jesus
cross. It has a cross on its back. And these are, except for the Nosferatu spider, which is way big, probably the most poisonous.
This one is poisonous.
It's poisonous.
Can you tell, William? Can you tell how was the food so that my family get proud?
The food was amazing.
It was the most
Every food
delicious
was
Indian
amazing.
food I've ever eaten.
Okay, thank you guys. So
Honestly, it was good.
it was potato sabji,
Thanks to your family.
aloo puri sabji. Yes. Something. How was it?
Yeah, very nice. Thanks to your family.
Yeah.
They give you the recipe.
Yep. Thank you. Oh, this has a small cave for rabbits. What a place! What a place! Rock climbing is not allowed here. I can see a sadhu there. Saint.
Caveman. Yeah, we found a caveman in Nuremberg.
We came down from the height. Luca is still doing part one. So we came down from that. Yeah. We are coming from that height, and I guess helicopter picks someone from this. Now we have to go to that lake. So just a rest spot.
Yeah, let's go.
He'll do the same. He bring a lot of clothes for him.
This guy.
But it will be a cold water. So we found a fossil here by a great scientist. Oh, lovely. This guy is coming by doing some good job. Yeah. So that's the lake. And these are our hiking partners. What a place was this. Lovely. It has a up slope going to the parking, and it's a wooden house looking so beautiful.
Depends, like normally we have concrete and then there's insulation and then
Yeah, still it's connected to the network, so it's easier to stay there.
yeah, and you're not
Yeah.
also your children even
Mm.
sure have their friends here.
Yep.
Hopefully we're
Yeah, everyone's
enough
dream is
money.
to earn that much money so that they can move to the suburb or rural areas to live a calm life. I was also thinking about that in my own country, that running so that I can make a house at mountains, at my hometown mountains, and live peacefully. But the issue there is that the hospital and the shopping market are not nearby. Oh, hi! Now you have 3 balls.
The last one is the biggest one.
So few days back I found a table. Now I found a tablecloth. So they put it on a box to donate it. There was books as well, so you can get them if you want. I was looking for some basic German level language books, but those was not there. But I do find a tablecloth which looks new and clean, so I'll try to put it on my table. So we are back to the train station, and that was the scenery of evening. It was awesome. And अब हम जो है घर जा रहे हैं. So we are going back to home. We'll take the regional train from here. We'll wait for the train and check when it will arrive, because regional trains arrives with a difference of half an hour, I believe. So how long will that train take time? 25 minutes. So usually it runs around like half an hour difference.
It's like
45 minutes.
it's like 30
Okay. So on every 35 minutes there will be a train.
1 hour.
I think every hour, yes, but the train to the
So every 40 minutes there will be a train. Okay. Whoa, 5:49. Wow. So we are done with the hiking. Now we are just waiting for the train. And
Biological.
6:25.
But be quick enough, the train's gonna be here in 3 minutes.
Oh, you have a timing?
No pressure.
Okay. I have to add the step now. Like after platform, we are in metro. So we are in metro right now. That's not alcohol.